Alright people, so we're back again with another live trading video. Last week we managed to catch a W, very fortunate. We're up 3% on the challenge, which I'll show you guys. It's still a phase 2. I think we ended last trading video with about 2.7% up or something like that. Since then I took 2 trades, they were both break even. One I took a little bit of partials, which took me to about 3% in profit. So I've got 2 more percent to go, which is not that bad, to be fair. Yeah, if we go to the account standing at the moment, as you can see, this is a trade that we left out on last time. We had this nice little win on gold. Since then, we took this trade. These are the same, took them same time. We closed a little bit of partials, then it came back down to break even. We then took another trade, which stopped us at break even as well. So as of now, we're just up 3%. Like I said, 2 more percent to go, which is not going to be that difficult. I reckon within the next 2 weeks, 2 and a bit weeks, we will be able to hit that. I'm only risking 1% per trade. I don't want to start risking even more aggressively, risking 2% to try and make 2%. I'm just going to stick to the plan, risk 1%. If I can get back-to-back wins with a 1-to-1 risk reward, or if I win my next trade with a 1-to-2, that'll be the account pass, will be 100k funded with equity edge. So right now I'm looking at GU. As we can see, GU was on a crazy bullish run. And I'm currently looking at sales. I do think the market might start going down for a little bit, even if I can quickly scalp it up. Try get about 5 to 10 pips. I'll be happy if I can scalp GU for, you know, a short move today. All right, so I'm currently in a trade on gold. As we can see, I'm in a buy position. To be fair, we're not looking the best right now. This might be a SL. Usually with my trading strategy, if I hit stop loss, it's probably the first 2 candles, especially when a candle comes down with such momentum like this. Like, we're very close to stop loss. So, you know, this is looking like a stop loss trade. It is Thursday. I'm going to trade tomorrow as well. So this would put us down in the reds for the week, and then tomorrow would have a chance to kind of recoup that. Not saying that this is going to be a loss 100%. I don't actually know what's going to happen. I'm just saying that this candle has quite a bit of momentum. So if it doesn't start rejecting, it'll probably be this candle or the next candle to take us out. Okay, so I'm still actually in this position. It came really close to stop loss. It did hit the stop loss on TradingView, but I didn't get triggered out on MetaTrader because I'm pretty sure I left it with a little bit of space compared to TradingView. It's looking like it's about to hit right now though, which is really unfortunate. I'm just going to let it hit stop loss. I'm not going to try to close early or anything like that. And it looks like we're about to... There we go. Unfortunate. We're still up 2% on the challenge. So now we need to make 3% profit. So it was just one of them days today. We took a loss. I still think that gold has the potential to go up. I still think buyers are majority in control. So I'm going to try take a second setup. If I get a clean one, I'm looking at this demand zone right now. I'm looking at that demand zone right there. So hopefully it taps into that zone and then we start getting a good rejection. If not, it looks like it's just going to be a losing day, which is fine. We've won the past few weeks. We won like the past 2 weeks trading. So I wouldn't mind having a little losing week this week. And I still have tomorrow as well to try catch something to try recover. If not, next week, you know, we come for green weeks. We don't want 2 losing weeks in a row. Okay, so I literally just got into this trade and it started pushing up almost instantly. So I wasn't able to put the camera on in time. I've closed some contracts on this, not a lot, only a little bit, because I want to try go for a 1-to-2 to make my money back and some. So I'm going to try see if it reaches a 1-to-2, and then I will probably get out of my position full. If not, my stops are at break even and I've secured a little bit of profit. If it doesn't go up there, then, you know, it'll probably be a little bit of a losing day and I would have went 1-on-1. I might close a little bit more profits, but I really do think with that momentum, that gold is just going to continue to push up. So I want to try and maximize the momentum and volume that's happening at the moment. And hopefully, although we took a loss, we can still end the day profitable, and you guys can see that losses happen. That doesn't mean necessarily that you're having a losing day. That doesn't mean necessarily that it's going to be a losing week just because you had, you know, a few losses. So hopefully this trade wins and it hits our full targets. All right, so it's looking like it doesn't want to give the full 1-to-2. For some reason, my chart's not moving on TradingView, but on the actual brokerage, the candle, okay, there we go. Yep, on the actual brokerage, the candle is coming down. That's kind of unfortunate. We're probably going to get stopped out at break even here. And then we secured a little bit of profit with the win. Wow, gold is going crazy. Okay, as you guys are seeing, like, look at these candles. Like, look at what's going on. It looks like, oh my God, gold's acting crazy. It's so volatile. So much money can be made. As a trader, I'll be honest, guys, this is it's not the price action that we want to see. We want to see more consistent price action. But either way, we have to show up. If we see our setup, we got to take it. Unless obviously the conditions are super, super, super poor. The conditions here are not necessarily poor. It's just that it's super volatile. So you really got to be careful with your risk. You got to be able to protect your capital. I even downsized with my lot size from what I usually go to, just because the market's so volatile today and it's moving so much. I didn't want to, be caught out. You can easily get hit with some slippage and then lose way more than anticipated. Slippage is very, very, very likely in these conditions. The thing though, what's weird as well is like this screen is showing something different than this screen is, and it's just showing how different liquidity providers can show different things at different times. That's just something that you have to deal with on the forex side. On the future side, you do not deal with this. The candles will be the exact same no matter what futures chart, because it's centralized market. On the forex side, you do have to deal with things like this. You do have to deal with a little bit of manipulation, but that just comes with the game. You're just gonna have to learn to live with it. All right, so unfortunately, it was a losing day for me. We lost 0.7% today. 2 trades. One, literally as soon as we got into it, went straight down to stop loss. The second one went straight to our take profit. We didn't close that much of the first target just because we had a loss today. I wanted to see if we can leave a runner to recover the loss and also end the day in a nice bit of profit. The market just was completely messing around today, honestly. But as we can see right down here, we had our loss and then we had a small little win. So yeah, we're back tomorrow. I feel like we can get a win tomorrow. Hopefully we get a nice runner tomorrow and the market's not playing out as much. If gold reaches all-time highs again in the night, then let's be realistic, guys. It's probably going to be playing up tomorrow as well. It's a shame, to be fair. It is a shame. But you can really tell that there's a lot of manipulation going on right now. Even the way that the two different brokers are showing two different things. There's definitely a lot of manipulation going on in the market. With gold at all-time highs. Hopefully next week is better price action. The year is just starting. It is Q1 as well. But yeah, one losing day, first losing day of the week. We had a break-even day on Monday. Didn't take a trade Tuesday. Didn't take a trade Wednesday. Hopefully tomorrow we can get a win and bring the account back into profit. But that's all. Very short vlog compared to last time. But if you did like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment what other videos you guys want to see as well.